Hello, in today's episode we're going to look at how to sync files straight from your desktop to your OneDrive account. This allows you to access and make changes to your files from any device, anywhere, and anytime you want. Let's get started. So let's say I want to move this folder to OneDrive. First thing I'll need to do is download the OneDrive app and set up my account. Now I've already done that on my Mac, so all I have to do is open Finder and look for OneDrive. If you're using Windows, you'll be able to find the OneDrive app in the Explorer window. Now that I've got OneDrive open, I'll simply drag my desired folder over and drop it into the OneDrive folder. If I double-click to open it, I can see that my folder is now sitting here amongst all the other file folders I have in OneDrive. So let's open to check that the contents of this folder moved across as well. Now I only had one document saved in this folder, and we can see it here, so the upload seems to have worked. If I had more files sitting in this folder, then they would have uploaded as well. I can now access this folder and its contents here or online from any device. Now, if I double-click this document, it'll open in the desktop version of Word, since I have Microsoft Office installed on this Mac. Once it's open, I can make whatever edits I want, click Save, and close the document. The changes I made will automatically sync back to OneDrive. This is one of the biggest benefits of syncing your files to OneDrive, as you don't have to keep track of multiple copies of your files, allowing you to access up-to-date versions of all your important documents. To prove this, I'm going to go ahead and open my internet browser. As you can see, I'm already logged into my OneDrive account, so I'll just go ahead and double-click on this folder where I've organized all my files. Now, I can't see the folder I just synced, so I'll try refreshing the web page. Let's look again, and there it is. Now I'll double-click on the folder to open it, and there's our document. We'll open that as well, and as you can see, the document opened using the web version of Microsoft Word. This means that if I had used a different device to access my OneDrive account, I'd still be able to open and edit this document, even if that device didn't have Microsoft Office installed. As you can also see, the document has also updated itself to reflect the edits I made to it after syncing it to OneDrive. This also works vice versa, so if I were to make edits to the document here and now, then the next time I open it from the OneDrive app on my device, I would see those edits. And that's how to sync files from your desktop to OneDrive.